Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh everyone. So I'm gonna do an unboxing of a product that I bought through Shopee, an online application. I think both Android and iOS will have it. So this me opening up the product. Alright, I've got the product open. So Logitech MX Ergo wireless trackball. What else is inside? Documents, that's all. Oh, this is my receipt. Yes. So I bought the item for $149.90 at Shopee. So here it is, the MX Ergo, which is an adjustable hinge for good comfort, 20 degrees. Dual connectivity, connect via the included Logitech unifying receiver or Bluetooth. So you can use unifying mode and Bluetooth as well. We have the mouse, a USB receiver. I think this is the charging cable, some documents. So this is quite good. So you don't have to rely on your USB receiver every time. You can use your Bluetooth at the same time. So you don't need to unplug and plug again. So it's MX Ergo. 1 year limited hardware warranty. Yes. It's inside the box. Okay. So this is how it looks like from the packaging. Smart adjustable hinge for personalized comfort. 0 degree, 20 degree. Looks comfortable. Yeah. Windows and Mac can be used for both types of devices. Advanced scroll wheel with tilt and middle click. Precise scrolling and convenient controls. Precision mode button. Choose speed or precision cursor control for specific applications. Easy switch is what I mentioned just now, and flow enabled. Pair up to 2 computers and easily switch between them. Fast rechargeable battery, holds power up to 4 months on a full charge. I think there's a battery included, AA or AAA. It's not stated outside the box. And it's rechargeable. Okay. So packaging can open like this. Oh, that's cool. What is the USB receiver? Opt out. What? Jeez. Okay, let's just take over here. So this is, I think it's an application, a Logitech application. You can download into your devices, customize with Logitech options, unlock a full range of new possibilities, install Logitech options for the most complete MX Ergo experience. Button and key customization, application specific settings, notification. Oh, notification. So I think there'll be a light somewhere. I think this one. And status. Okay. So wait a while, we'll open this up. Bye bye. MX Ergo battery disposal. Okay. Nothing else in the box. Bye. Here's the one. The MX Ergo trackball. It's supposed to be here. Okay. Ta-da! Oh, look at this. Oh, quite heavy. This thing is quite heavy. Okay, when I expected. So here are the steps. Download the app, turn it on, easy switch, connect 3 seconds, and you can connect it through Bluetooth or to the unifying receiver. Only there's a storage over here. Okay. Oh, there's a cable. This is micro USB, same like the old Android smartphones use, to a USB. Normal USB. There's a strap with it. Not bad. I think it's around 1 meter. Okay, let me open this up for a while. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you guys this, what I found. So while opening up the plastic, trying to open this thing up, I decided to see what this adjustable hinge thing can do. What I found out was that it's magnetic. It uses magnet. Here's what really light. Now it's light. This thing is the one that causes the mouse to be heavy. It's supposed to be this way around. Okay, what is else over here? A bit damaged it without cleaning up. But oh else. You know what? This thing's not. There's no battery. Oh, this is how the battery looks like. I think it will stay for a while. I wouldn't dispose it that early. So how do I charge this up? Is through the USB, micro USB. Start charging your smartphone. So let me put this back. Wow. How it works. Oh. Okay, so normally it is like this. Now you can turn it more comfortably like this. Okay. It's really cool. I thought there's a range of options. But just this or this. Can this thing come up? Okay. I'm gonna leave it here. I'm pretty sure it can come up. Next. So this is how it's like. Then switch the devices through here. Okay, I think that's all for the unboxing. I don't know if I'm going to do a review of this product after I've connected it. What do you guys think? Please like, share and subscribe. And if you want to see the review of this product, not a very professional one that you can see like MKBHD or Unbox Therapy, but if you guys want to see what it's like and what you want me to do with this that won't damage my product, please comment in the comment section below. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.